Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing a taillight from a Peugeot 2008, and let's get into our main tutorial. Here we have our outer taillight on the body of the vehicle. On the inside, when you open the tailgate, there will be a cover. Remove the cover, and on the inside there will be a plastic nut color black, which will be that one over there, and it's easy to remove by hand. Remove that nut, and then once this one is off, the only thing that holds the taillight in place is locators, and for this part of the process we'll need a plastic tool to get in between the taillight and the body of the vehicle and wriggle the taillight, pull it towards yourself or towards the rear of the vehicle. What's left is the plug for the lights and the bulbs, and that's over there. You will need to push onto the clip like in the video and then pull the plug out. Sometimes it can be a bit of a task, but eventually it will come out. Here is our light, and putting it back on, you'll first connect the plug and then slide the locators in, pretty much the exact same way as you're taking out in that order. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.